By default in HeatMap Theme Pro, H1 tags are assigned to the featured page on your home page and also the titles when you're actually viewing a page or post. So I'm looking at a post here. If I just use my SEO X-ray tool that I got from SEObook.com, you'll see that I've got a H1 tag assigned to that post title. But some people prefer to actually have H2 tags assigned to their page or post titles to suit whatever their SEO strategy is, and there is a option in HeatMap Theme to do that. So I'm just going to zip into the options page for the HeatMap options page. I'm going to go into SEO and I'm going to select assign H2 to page titles and assign H2 to post titles, and I'll click on that and save it, and then I'll go back into my blog and then we'll go down to a post again. Then we'll look at our tags using the SEO X-ray tool again, and you can see now that the post title has now got a H2 tag assigned to it. I'm just going to close this here, and then if we actually look at our page as well and we examine that one with our SEO X-ray tool, again it now has the H2 tag assigned to it instead of the default H1. So if that's your preferred SEO strategy, then you can do that now with HeatMap Theme Pro.